Hey everyone, here's another custom unrestored Plymouth Fury from the horror movie Christine. This is what the car looked like when Artie uh, found it in I guess in a field. As you see, features opening hood, doors, and trunk. So we have the 9-volt batteries in the trunk for the working lights that I've installed. This car takes some process to build. As you see, this is what I start out with. Nice clean version, and this is what I end up with a broken windshield, bent wiper, antenna, radio antenna. Wipers are stuck in up position, fallen bumper, and you should see rust and dirt all over. The for sale sign, the rag for the gas cap, and a big dent on the side of the car. Again, I said it comes with working lights, so let me turn the lights on. You see it's got the working front lights. Try to focus. The interior dash light and rear tail lights with also the hanging bumper down. Get this out of the way. Oops. So, a lot of time and effort has gone into doing it. I've used a lot of airbrush, hand paintings, sanding. I mean, you name it. I spend a couple days building it, so I don't do it too often. It does come with its box, so it'll be packed for safe delivery. Please bid what you're willing to pay. I don't do them too often, like I said. Who knows when I'll do another one. But again, thanks for watching, and please ask any question you might have before you bid. The engine is also unrestored. So, oops, sorry. So I forgot the bottom also is muddied out and unrestored. That's the on and off switch for the lights. And like I said, see how easy the 9-volt battery comes in and out? Just plug it in and plug it out. Alright, again, thanks for watching.